Mike is a postman. He is a happy man. Mike works in a small town called Greenbridge. He likes his job very much because he meets many people. Every morning, Mike wakes up at 6 o'clock. He eats a big breakfast. Eggs, bacon, and coffee. At 7:30, Mike drives his red van to the post office. He sorts the letters and parcels. There are many letters today. At 9 o'clock, Mike starts his route. He walks down Main Street. First, he goes to the big house on the corner. He delivers a small parcel. A woman opens the door and smiles. She says, "Thank you, Mike." Next, Mike goes to the baker's shop. He collects a big envelope for a business company. The baker gives Mike a fresh donut. Mike loves donuts. Mike works all morning. He delivers letters to 20 houses. He is tired, but he keeps smiling. At 1 o'clock, Mike finishes his job. He drives back to the post office. In the afternoon, Mike relaxes. He sits in his garden and reads a book. He loves his quiet life in Greenbridge.